Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of House of Contractors. We're going to be doing a small demonstration video of the EMS1035W semi-electric wide leg pallet stacker. It's the machine on my very far right. And I'll also briefly be explaining the differences between the EMS1035W and the EMS1035 thin leg semi-electric pallet stacker. So as you can see here, this skid doesn't have any wood on the bottom, so it's an open bottom skid. This skid does have wood on the bottom, so this is an American skid, and you can see that these skids are different, yet the semi-electric wide leg pallet stacker will work on both. It's very versatile. In comparison, this machine, the thin leg semi-electric stacker, would only work on this one because the lifting forks rest on the frame legs. So you can see that this machine would only work on one of those skids, whereas this machine would work on both. You can see it'll roll. It rolls in easily because there's no wood on the bottom. Turn it on, emergency switch, and here we go. Comparatively, because the skid with the track dumper has wood on the bottom, it won't enable this machine to go inside. As you can see, it gets blocked. Now we're going to demonstrate the wide leg semi-electric, and you'll see that it works on both skids. And just to talk about this machine for a moment, right now the inner width here is about 38 inches, but it can spread all the way out to about 50 inches because the frame legs are adjustable to contract and to expand. This machine can also lift 2,200 pounds and reach 138 inches high. It's also equipped with a 110 volt plug, a digital battery gauge with an hour meter, and a key start and a detonating switch. So you can see here that the wide leg semi-electric works on any sort of skid, it doesn't matter. And it can go 138 inches high. And this item is also available in 1,500 kilos or 3,300 pounds as well. So as you can see, this machine can lift either skid, it's irrelevant, and it's a very easily maneuverable machine. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and let us know if you're interested.